Hey, what's up, everybody? Your favorite chef is here, and you're watching another episode of Cooking is Easy, making some delicious restaurant meal that looks so expensive that your girl gonna think, oh my god, you're a professional chef. No, you're not, moron. You're just clumsy cook that just watched my video and learned how to make that awesome meal from the restaurant. Okay, I'm talking too much. Now let's go forward. Wash that fruits and cherry tomatoes. You know that I'm taking these seconds to just make my video longer. Okay, now you see what I'm doing. I'm washing sprouts, I'm cutting cherry tomatoes, I'm preparing everything so that everything will be done. And yes, clean that sprout, put in the water, and then let's let them cooking. While they are cooking, cut cherry tomatoes. I know that you're gonna cut those tomatoes in a few seconds because you are professional. You're professional because you're watching my videos. I know that you don't want to be professional, but you just keep that skill while watching my video. And now, while they are cooking, take your greatest of all time meat, smoked meat, and then slice it. Or your mother can do because you're knob. No, you're knob. You're pro, but you're trying to be pro. You wanna be one day after you watch all my videos. Until then, go fuck yourself and take several slices and then slice one half. Or you can use slicer and let all machine work that. You're a lazy bastard. We did that, and then let's go forward. Check these sprouts if they are done. Check those sprouts with fork. If they go through easily, then they are done. If they are done, put away, dry the water out, and of course, I forgot to mention, you're gonna use 8 to 10 sprouts or for 2 plates for you and your girlfriend or your lovely wife that give you sex every morning. And now you're gonna heat the pan, and then you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of, let it to melt all the way down. When it's melted, you're gonna add smoked meat, greatest of all time meat, for the 20-30 seconds, and then you're gonna add cherry tomatoes that slice it, and also that for 20-30 seconds. You probably don't need to add B anymore. And then you're gonna add Brussels sprouts. 30 seconds. Yeah, it's basically everything is done in 2 minutes, nothing more. Or you can also do everything that, but cherry tomato the last one, just to soak all the flavor from the butter and meat and sauce. And you can also add salt and oregano, pepper for richest flavor. And that's all. Combine that, and then most important thing is to decorate like chef. If you decorate like pig, it will be piggy. And sorry for my camera, it's not the best one. I don't have so much money for that. I don't have rich wife to pay me expensive food. I'm using what I have, and what I have is greatest of all time because I know where to find that. And that's all, guys, for today's video. I hope that I was not bored, that I was not talking too much, and that will sound really good. Press that motherfucking button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. See you, motherfucker.